All the way from Cobram Estate, dietitian and nutritionist Jackie is joining me today to talk, of course, all things extra virgin olive oil. It's one ingredient I cannot live without in my kitchen. It's sort of it's a must.
Staple,
it's a staple.
Totally. Yep, goes with everything.
Exactly, and it goes with mashed potatoes. Usually mashed potato we do with lots of butter and cream, but olive oil mashed potato is so good, right?
Absolutely, yep. And I feel like potato gets a bit of a bad rap, but it's a delicious, healthy vegetable, just like all of the other veggies.
So we've just boiled some potatoes, drained them, kept them warm, and we're going to mash them with oil. And we're also going to serve it with a beautiful herb salsa, which I think goes so nicely with potatoes. So let's get started.
All right.
So these are just Sebago potatoes. We've popped them into some cold water, brought them up to the boil, and they've cooked for 20 minutes. And for my salsa, it's as simple as just grating some garlic, lemon zest and chopping herbs and then tying it all together with oil. So I want to show this off. So let's talk about oils.
Yep.
For a salsa verde where I want something to be quite peppery, intense, grassy, what type of oil would you suggest?
I would go for the robust extra virgin olive oil. So it's quite flavoursome. The antioxidants in there make it more robust and kind of peppery, which I think you're sort of after.
Nice. And because we're going all out and using two varieties of oils, and out of the three oils that we have, which one would you recommend?
I'd go the light extra virgin olive oil on that occasion, just because you'll bring out the flavour of the potato a little bit more and it'll kind of contrast nicely with the robust in the salsa.
Now, I'm lucky enough to have gone out to Cobram Estates Grove.
Yeah.
You're lucky enough to go out there a lot. Tell us about the process from the olive all the way to the processing.
Sure. So I guess everything is done at our grove in northern Victoria, right near Mildura.
Yep.
We do everything from picking the olives through to pressing, and that all happens within 4 to 6 hours. So that means that it's really fresh, really delicious. It's a fruit, so the minute you pick it off the tree, it's not going to get fresher. It's only going to lose antioxidants. So the quicker you can do it, the fresher the oil, the tastier it is, and you'll pick that up in your food.
And on every bottle of Cobram Estate extra virgin olive oil, you even mark the actual...
We do, yeah. So in Australia, harvest happens around May to June each year. And what we do is we'll put the harvest date on the bottle. So you can see there you've got harvest this year, or harvest 2019, so that's as fresh as you can get. And then this year's new season oil will start hitting shelves about end of June, start of July, so mid-year.
Nice one. All right, that mash is looking good. Maybe we should start adding a big drizzle of the extra virgin olive oil. And I've just been picking some thyme here with our garlic and our lemon. And I'm going to pop that into a bowl. This is just a really nice way of changing up mashed potato. I think sometimes it can be really heavy with the butter and cream. And to really celebrate extra virgin olive oil, this is a nice way of doing it. So just some parsley, and I'll finely chop that.
And all your herbs are full of antioxidants as well. So when you're putting in the extra virgin olive oil, it's going to kind of help absorb some of that, but also bring out that taste and flavour too. So, yeah.
Now, we all know that extra virgin olive oil is so good for us. What are the nutrients that can be found in extra virgin olive oil?
So the thing that's unique about extra virgin olive oil, it's really high in healthy plant compounds, and they include things like antioxidants, squalene, different kinds of sterols. So they're all really healthy components in extra virgin olive oil that you don't find in any other oil, so it's quite unique to that oil.
Nice one. That means we can use more of it?
Yeah, I would say so, absolutely. It's dietitian approved.
Oh, good. If Jackie says it's good for us, it's good for us. So I'm going to add a good amount of this gorgeous, robust extra virgin olive oil, and I think we're done. How's that mash looking?
It's looking very good. I think it's going to need a little bit more extra virgin olive oil and a bit of salt.
Absolutely.
Thought you'd be good with that.
I've got some salt here. Pinch of salt, because potatoes love their salt. Nice one.
Thank you.
All right, let's plate up. So you and I love our mash.
Yes.
So let's just go a generous portion.
Happy with that.
One more for good luck. And I just kind of like to spread it out, and because we're really celebrating those fresh flavours from the extra virgin olive oil, a nice amount of this salsa, and then we'll drizzle this yumminess straight over the top. I mean, that's taking your mashed potato to the next level, just because I want to show off because Jackie's here.
I'm very impressed.
A few more sprigs. And that's what I call the ultimate extra virgin olive oil mash. I've learnt so much off you, Jackie. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.